Hey, what's up people, welcome back to another video. So in this short video I'll show you how to add a scroll to tab button in WordPress. If you haven't liked this video and haven't subscribed to this channel, please do. Let's get started. Let me quickly log into my WordPress dashboard. You can see that we are inside the WordPress dashboard. Just go to plugins and click on add new plugin. We're going to be doing this using a simple plugin called WP Friend Scroll Top. I'll leave the name in the description. You can easily find this in the plugin library. This is the one. You can see it has over 200,000 active installations. Click on install now and just wait for it to install. And don't forget to activate the plugin. And once this plugin is activated, you will be redirected to the plugin settings. Make sure you enable this enabled option here, and also enable JavaScript. And then if you want, you can change the scroll speed and the size based on your requirements. And if you scroll down, you will see the image button that you want for the scroll button. For now, I'll select this one. That looks decent, and click on Save Changes. And that's it. Let's test this. I'll open a private tab and go to my website. So we can see we have nothing on this website. It's just a default theme. And if I scroll down, I see a scroll up button here. So if I click on this scroll up button, it goes right to the top. So this is how this button works. That's how you can add scroll to top button in WordPress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.